Hello everybody, today we are going to unbox it's not really a box, but we go to unpack this fingerprint sensor. It's the FeinTech fingerprint sensor for Windows Hello, but they also claim that it is also usable on Linux operating systems. I bought it for Windows and for Linux, so I will go to test it. It's the USB fingerprint sensor FPS00201. So this is it. You can see it clearly. They say it supports Windows 10 and 11. It supports multiple fingers. It supports USB 2 and 3. So, and they also offer a good service. They have listed their email address onto the cardboard here. So, yes, there is nothing much to it. I go to cut it with my scissors. As you can see, it's very easy. I just cut it. And then we go to check it out. Voila, this is it. Voila, this is the fingerprint sensor. It's I don't know, maybe plastic or maybe metal, but it feels like kind of professional. Voila, this is it. I hope you like my video, and also please check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, because we are giving away prizes to subscribers from our channel. You only have to subscribe, and if you win something, you hear from us. Bye bye.